What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be riding my ATV. So I'm just going to start this and then I could jump into the video. Peace. Alright, it's done. Now you need to reverse it and get it backwards. Alright. Okay, I'm outside. Oh crap. Alright, give me a sec. And finally it's not sunny at all. I can ride this now. This is so cold. Give me a second. Alright, I'm all the way over here. My phone just fell. I mean, it didn't fell. It just like tripped off. I'm gonna get like racks. Alright, I'm not guys showing you my address, so I'm just keeping the phone down. Alright. Oh, what the signal? Oh, what the heck, huh? Woo! I just did a drift. Look at this. All the way from here. Oh my god, I did a drift. Shit, I just did a better drift. Oh crap. Oh, the car's coming. Right, I'm good. I just did a drift, but I was in the road, so you guys cannot see. Whatever, guys. So I'm gonna pause the video here, and I'm gonna post the video next time. And I'll make sure to like and subscribe so I can get 400 subscribers. One more subscriber.